Hello guys, in this episode we will see that how the text widget is being created and uh, how we can use their properties as well. So if you see that the boilerplate is already being created, as we have already created a widget, so in that you will see that the scaffold widget we have already defined, and inside the body we are inside the column we are defining a text widget. So you can simply pass any text if you want. So let's say for business, you can pass business. So if you hot reload it, so you can see that the text is automatically being changed when we change it, and we can do some styling to it as well. So that we can remove that constant variable, constant keyword. So textile also has some more properties as well, like a background color. We can set that as a black. Oh, sorry, the text color would be we can set as a black, and the font size we want to font weight we can give it uh, font weight we can give it. There are many uh, attribute as well, so we can select as a bold, normal, and uh, W10, W20, and the many modes as well. So it's basically like the layout we want to display in a text. So let's say we are checking that WF50, and the font size we want is 20 or 30. Okay, so if you hot reload it, so the text is already being changed, and if you can change the font weight, so uh, you can play with the text widget as well, and the text widget also hold many properties as well other than the text. So it also support the maximum lines as well. So for this case, we are specifying only one line. So we can specify one, and if you have a more lines, so we can specify the n number of lines that we want to. Otherwise, we can specify the null as well. Uh, there is a text overflow. We can simply align it as per our convenience. We can simply align it in a left or a right. Wait, what does it mean? Chocolate. Yeah, now it's it. And text align, we can specify the text would be aligned in a center, vertical, or a justify. So we can set it as a justify. In the overflow, we can set that if the text is overflowing, so it will fit into that row or a column. And let's I will show you an example as well. So let's say that we have specified the line maximum line is equal to 1. We can copy that and we can paste that. If you hot reload it, so if you see that the text is coming over there, and three dot as well. So the texting is coming fit into that screen as well. So if you like this content, please do share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.